Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can check your cloud of your Mewe account. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we need to open our account, and after opening the account we have to go to the profile icon, and after going to the profile icon, as you can see you will be and after going to the profile icon, as you can see you will get the my cloud option here. So we have to click on the my cloud, and after clicking on the my cloud, as you can see you will be able to see all uploaded photos and videos here. As you can see in the album section, if you want to create album, you can also do that. You need to upload the picture. For example, I'm going to upload the picture like this. Let's click on the open, and this picture it will be uploaded. If you want to upload this picture again, I'm going to also upload this picture, and then you have to hit the save, and these both the album will be created. So I'm going to click on the save. As you can see now it's saved. So if you want to check out your storage, you can also do that. As you can see now, the currently it's 8 GB and you have this storage free. If you want to get more space, you can also do that. You have to click on the get more space, and after that you need to pay for that, and you will be able to get that. So in this way you can check out your cloud. I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can do this. So see you guys in the next video.